How to fix audio problem in Messenger. So if you're facing the audio problem, first of all make sure your volume is up. Click on the volume button, tap on the three dots. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Increase the volume for media, likewise increase it for the call. Repeat the same for ring and notification. Tap on the option done. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, grant the microphone access to Messenger. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Messenger, long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Permissions. Make sure you've granted the permission for microphone. If not, tap on it. Tap on this option Allow only while using the app. Go back. After that, your problem should be fixed. If it is not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. In the App Info interface, tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, update the app. Open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar. Search for Messenger. See the results. Tap on the option for Messenger. Tap on this option Update. Wait for a while. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a while in order to update. After the update is completed, all the bugs of the Messenger application will be fixed, including the audio problem. Open the Messenger application and try listening to the audio. Now your problem should be fixed. Like this, you'll be able to fix audio problem on Messenger. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.